Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting a physical connection. Plug a wired USB keyboard into a rear or front USB port, or insert the wireless keyboard's USB dongle. Xbox Series X does not accept most Bluetooth keyboards, so this step avoids that pitfall. Once done, watch for keyboard LEDs or type in any text field to confirm detection. If nothing happens immediately, try a different USB port and make sure the keyboard has power. This quick confirmation saves time before moving on. Now you confirm and tailor how the keyboard behaves. Open Settings to see devices and connections and verify the keyboard appears. If keys are misaligned, change the layout and language in System Settings so punctuation and symbols match. You can type directly in the guide's chat boxes, the Microsoft Edge address bar, and app search fields. Common shortcuts like Control and Alt often function in browser apps. Make sure to test typing, backspace, and enter to validate expected results before deeper use. Finish by using the keyboard where you need it: chat, browser, app search, or entering codes. When done, you can leave it connected for convenience or unplug it safely. Xbox will remember settings. If the keyboard stops responding, restart the console and reconnect the keyboard. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a different USB port or a second keyboard to determine whether the issue is the port, the keyboard, or the console. This isolates hardware faults quickly, so you can fix the real problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.